How to see who shared your Instagram post. So first of all, open up the Instagram, then go to your profile where all the posts are there. Now let me tell you one thing, you cannot see who shared your Instagram post privately, okay, such as through that DMs to private accounts to protect user privacy. However, if they have shared your post publicly on their story, then you can view the share accounts. Okay, so open up the post that you for which you want to see who shared it. So I'm going to open up this post right here. Okay, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Okay, just like this. Then one of the options you'll see is view story reshares. Okay, so it will show you who shared it. So I'm going to click on view story reshares, and then you can see current public reshares. So if I click here, then you can see the person's name here at the top. So this page has shared my Ayodhya Ji. Okay, this page has shared the shared this particular post on their story. So this is how easily you can see it. Thank you.